Let's talk about these storage bins with the bamboo lids. You're going to get the set of 6. These are so much fun. If you're into cleaning and organizing everything like I am, these are going to be a huge hit for you, I promise. I love that you can stack them. I love that they have the little place, like the handles where you can put your hands to help lift them. They are strong yet soft, so you can fill them up, but they won't like bend out of shape if you overfill them. And they stack perfectly. The lid's just kind of set on top like that, so it's really, really nice. Now, just for reference, these are about 10 inches long by 4 inches high. So, I mean, you can hide all the clutter in your bathroom. You can hide toys, extra stuff. You can store cotton balls, Q-tips. You can put nail polishes in there, hair stuff. You can put extra phone cords. I mean, you can roll them up and put them in there. The possibility with these containers is endless. I am all about organization, and containers to store things is a must have in my home. Now, I was sent these to test out and I recommend them. I love the color, I love the quality, and I love that they stack and that you get 6 of them. So you can use them for a variety of different things and in different rooms.